Today we're making an awesome pesto pasta. Stick around. Okay, for this pasta what we're going to need is pine nuts. You can use any nuts that you want, but pine nuts are definitely the best. Toast them in your pan lightly, or you can toast them in the oven. We're going to add half a cup of toasted pine nuts to a blender. If you guys have a Robot-Coupe, go ahead and use a Robot-Coupe. It's much easier. I'm using a blender because that's all I have. I'm adding 2 garlic cloves to the blender. You don't need to grate it, but I just did for no reason whatsoever. Now I'm adding 3/4 cup of grated Pecorino. You can use Parmesan, but go ahead and grate your cheese in there as fine as possible. And we're just going to blend that cheese, garlic, nut mixture until it's kind of coarse like that. Now we're going to add about half a cup of extra virgin high quality olive oil. And then we're going to add our beautiful fresh basil leaves. I'm adding 2 bunches of basil leaves. You can add 3 if you wanted to. And what we're going to do is pick the leaves and just give it a nice blend. Add a pinch of salt, and you want it to be pretty smooth. You don't want it to be liquefied, right? But you do want it to be pretty smooth. So right there you can see it still has some texture, but it's pretty smooth. It's all ground up. It looks really nice. Now for some garnish components, what we're going to do is chop some cherry tomatoes. They add nice acidity and also beautiful color. I'm also using freshly extruded bigoli pasta, which is similar to spaghetti, but it's a little wider. You can use any pasta you want. And I'm using some fresh buffalo mozzarella. I think buffalo mozzarella has better flavor, but you can use regular mozzarella or any kind of soft cheese that you want. Okay, so what we're going to do is heat up that pesto very, very low. You don't want to really boil this too hard on its own. So I'm adding the cherry tomatoes, I'm adding the pesto to a pan, and I'm just going to take the chill off of it. So just get it a little bit warm. At the same time, you're going to want to boil your pasta until it's al dente. Once your pasta is al dente, you're going to add it to the pan and you're going to cook it just for a couple minutes with some of that pasta water, as you do with other pastas. This helps release the starch and this helps allow the sauce to get really creamy. Make sure you add a couple ounces of pasta water to that pan and cook for about a minute until it comes together. Squeeze about 1/4 of a lemon juice right in that pasta. The lemon juice will turn your pasta brown, so you want to make sure to use it very last minute. Don't add it too soon. And now we're going to plate it up in a bowl. You can see that this pasta is so easy. It takes about 15 minutes and it's really light, really flavorful. We're going to do our finishing touches with a little bit more grated pecorino right on top of the pasta. We're going to add our buffalo mozzarella. We're going to also add just a little olive oil and a crack of pepper on that mozzarella to make it look beautiful. And that's it. If you guys enjoyed this content, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.